Alright guys, so it is like literally 42 degrees outside right now. It's Sunday. I'm headed to Philly today, so I'm gonna meet up with Corey and people like that. Right now it's really brick, but hopefully it's nice and bright and sunny because that's what it's supposed to be today. Yeah, so I don't want to waste any more time. Let's just head over to Philly right now. Pushing the phone straight to the trenches!
Came from restaurants, blew up and took over my city. I'm thanking the Lord I did it. I wanted a bite and I bit it. I swear it ain't hard to get it. I stay with the rod, I'm with it. I kept it trilling from the very start. See so many people cross me, don't know where to start. That bitch left me with a heavy heart.
Oh, whoa. Oh, fire shit. Look at the pants. Oh, whoa. Watch the fire pants. You look like a whole snack over here.
What?
You look like a snack.
Ah!
Yeah. Oh, shit.
Fucking Eagle double. Why? Fucking go!
Fuck you, nigga! Take your bitch ass up! You hate him, I'ma smack you, pussy! Yeah, you hate me, go ahead. What you talking about? He told me you're playing with me!
Let's see you 12. Let's see you 12.
Oh no!
Oh. Let's see you 12. Okay. All right.
Yo, pass that shit! He say, I'm shooting. Hit that joke!
No fucks given. No fucks. Cuts off the cop right in front of her. I heard that you have a toe fetish. Like you like feet and shit.
Ew, I fucking hate feet.
No, you love
Unless
feet.
it's my girl's feet, that's it.
You like your girl's feet?
Yeah.
Yeah? You like rubbing them and shit?
Yeah.
She give you lotion, you rub the lotion on them?
No, no lotion.
No lotion. Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, you high.
Oh, it's a big ass hole. Oh yeah. Patty cake.
Man, we in Philly with it.
Oh, it's my guys.
No, she's not!
Top flight security of the world.
We out here in Philly and all that. We got the popo, we got the other popos. Oh. Oh, he about to do it. We in South Philly, you already know. South Philly is where we at.
We in Staten Philly.
Got a vlog, man. South Philly.
Fuck you! I don't gotta stop for you. If I tell you to stop, no, don't worry, I'm not coming up here in Instagram. I'm trying to get on Instagram.
We out here in South Philly. You know where we at? South Philly with oh. Yo, she decorating all these little bike things over here. This girl is decorating all these little bike racks and stuff for the bikes. Look at this. She's knitting all this.
Wait, can I get one?
Yeah, I'm about to really do that.
Knitway Corey. How much?
No back.
Back over here in South Philly, you already know.
South Philly, it's Center City.
Nah, it's just South Philly. We out here in South Philly, you already know.
Oh, shit.
Which one?
I'm going to 8. I'm a dub. Yeah? I'm a whole nigga. I'm a dub. Fuck you. Fuck you!
That's how you pussy stick.
We don't wear bralettes outside.
Pussy that move, bitch.
No, wait, that's right.
Come here. Come here, what's up?
Oh, you from my
Come here,
man's
what's up?
No, bro. I'm about to waste my fucking shit.
No, you're fucking fan, bro.
What's wrong with y'all? Oh, you taking this shit here? Yeah, get it here. Why am I leaving? You know how I'm coming, bro. If I put this food down,
I'm not gonna fuck out. What's up?
yo, you a girl. I get my girlfriend for you. What does your tattoo say? It's backhand the shit out of her. She touched me. Dumbass, Jumbo. He's dirt. Oh, fuck him up. Yo, I swear to God, he's dirt. Through the gospel. Drink the soda, crackhead. Wait, throw it back. Oh, this nigga lit. We ordered your Hey, man. Hey, Tiffany.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
They did that on it.
Oh shit. He running. This guy was over here just watching the whole time. Yo, my man's over here just watched the whole thing. He witnessed it.
Be like that.
He witnessed it, bro. He wasn't even coming out.
And I got my
South Philly, bro. South Philly. The security guard was in there, not even doing shit.
Yeah, I know. We was there laughing.
Yo, guys, South Philly is crazy. I don't know what's going on. We out here in South Philly, you know. We out here with the little pack. Almost. South Philly out here. South Philly, right? South Philly? South Philly? South Philly? South Philly? Corey, where we at?
Like Konrad said, South Philadelphia.
We're in South Philadelphia. 8th Street, South Philadelphia.
Actually, this ain't in South Philly.
Where we at?
Center City. Downtown Philadelphia.
No, we're in South Philly.
No.
The fuck are those? The fuck are those? What?
Hamlet want no smoke with my guy.
Oh, throwing shots?
Hamlet want no smoke.
Yo, Alex is throwing shots at Alex, bro. You hear this? Oh, DIRTBIKES noise coming from you?
Oh yeah.
Woo. Yeah, we somehow made it from South Philly over here. Hey, ow. Okay. Okay. Yeah. South Philly. Woo! Woo! Yeah. Okay. behind that. Come on. Oh, come on. Yeah. Okay.
We down South Philly with it.
South Philly, and no, you already know. That's where we stay at all day.
That's the new track, South Philly.
Woo! Yeah. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. Woo.
Legendary book.
Yo, shoot! Ow! It's the boyos. It's getting hectic, it's late. I'm about to head over to my car because there's cops out everywhere. Kids are wilding out right now. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Crazy ass video. If you want more of this, be sure to thumbs up the video and I'll do more of these type of videos. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. I'm about to get the fuck out of here before the cops find me.